comes to mind when you think of luxury watches? I'll give you a second. More than likely, you thought of Rolex watches. Rolex watches are not just timepieces. They're investments, heirlooms, and symbols of luxury. To ensure your Rolex stands the test of time, here's 5 pro tips to prolong its life. 1. Regular maintenance. Much like a luxury car, your Rolex needs regular servicing every 3 to 5 years. You should take your watch to a service center that can lubricate, pressure test, and adjust the movement, ensuring precision and longevity. 2. Avoid harsh environments. While Rolex watches are built to withstand the elements, prolonged exposure to extreme conditions can wear them out. Avoid wearing your Rolex in saunas or hot tubs. The heat can expand the seals and allow moisture in. Similarly, if you have a vintage model, it might be best to avoid deep dives, even if it's a diver's watch. 3. The crown's royal treatment. The crown, the little knob used to set the time, is a potential entry point for dust and moisture. Always ensure it's fully pushed in or screwed down after adjusting the time or date. This keeps the watch's internals protected. 4. Store with care. When not wearing your Rolex, store it in a cool, dry place. Consider a watch box or a soft cloth pouch to prevent scratches. If you won't be wearing it for an extended period of time, a watch finder will help keep the movement ticking and lubricated. 5. Be mindful of magnets. Modern life is full of magnetic fields, from laptops to speakers. These can affect the accuracy of your Rolex's movement. If you suspect your watch has been magnetized, a quick visit to a professional service center such as Gray & Sons can demagnetize it and restore its precision.